Hello, today we're gonna do an upgrade for our Toyota Tundra SR5. So we're gonna upgrade, we're gonna put the plastic underneath seat, the storage. And then this is how they look like. There's 3 compartments. So we're gonna install this today. Trace. Now we're just setting up our template. We're gonna outline the template and then we're gonna remove and then we're gonna cut the carpet. Trace our template. Now we're gonna cut it with a blade. Make sure it's sharp blade. Hang on. There goes the carpet. Now we're gonna cut the foam with our linoleum knife. The middle compartment is the one that we have to be careful because there's wires in the bottom. So the instruction said we have to start on the driver's side. There's no wire. We're lucky, there's no wire. So I guess it's only for the 2020 and 21 with the keyless entry remote. That's it. We're gonna clean up and then we're gonna put our underneath the seat storage. And then now we're gonna put this underneath the seat storage on the cutout that we make. Just apply the same pressure on all the compartment. So this is our first upgrade on our Polar Bear plastic seat underneath storage. And so that our stop won't slide around, we have to cut this in this shape so that we can put it. It's gonna be our map. And there you guys have it. Our plastic underneath the seat storage. So that's how they look like. Charang! Now we have the storage. All you need to do is open. There you have it. Hope you guys like the tutorial for installing the underneath the seat plastic storage. And there you guys have it. Thank you for watching. Bye!